Good day, I'm Giancarlo Lacaba from PZ 08101A. Now, I am going to present our beloved country, the Philippines, and its 17 regions with their provinces and capitals. For Region 1, Ilocos Region. Ilocos Norte, capital Lawag City. Ilocos Sur, capital Vigan City. La Union, capital San Fernando City. Pangasinan, capital Lingayen. For Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, capital Basco. Cagayan, capital Tuguegarao City. Isabela, capital Ilagan. Nueva Vizcaya, capital Bayumbong. Quirino, capital Cavaroguis. For Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, capital Baler. Bataan, capital Balanga. Bulacan, capital Malolos. Pampanga, capital San Fernando. Nueva Ecija, capital Palayan. Tarlac, capital Tarlac City. Zambales, capital Iba. For Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, capital Batangas City. Cavite, capital Trece Martires City. Laguna, capital Santa Cruz. Quezon, capital Lucena City. And Rizal, capital Antipolo City. For Region 4B, Mimaropa. Marinduque, capital Boac. Occidental Mindoro, capital Mamburao. Oriental Mindoro, capital Calapan City. Palawan, capital Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, capital Romblon. For Region 5, Bicol. Albay, capital Legazpi. Camarines Norte, capital Daet. Camarines Sur, capital Pili. Catanduanes, capital Birac. Masbate, capital Masbate City. Sorsogon, capital Sorsogon City. For Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, capital Calibo. Antique, capital San Jose. Capiz, capital Rojas City. Guimaras, capital Jordan. Iloilo, capital Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, capital Bacolod City. For Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, capital Dumaguete City. And Siquijor, capital Siquijor. For Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, capital Naval. Eastern Samar, capital Borongan City. Leyte, capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, capital Maasin City. Western Samar or Samar, capital Catbalogan City. For Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, capital Ipil. For Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, capital Malaybalay City. Camiguin, capital Mambadjao. Lanao del Norte, capital Tubod o Tubod. Misamis Occidental, capital Oroquieta City. Misamis Oriental, capital Cagayan de Oro City. For Region 11, it is the Davao Region. Compostela Valley, capital Nabunturan. Davao del Norte, capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, capital Digos City. Davao Oriental, capital Mati City. For Region 12, it is the Soc-Sargent Region. Cotabato o North Cotabato, capital Kidapawan City. Sarangani, capital Alabel. South Cotabato, capital Coronadal. Sultan Kudarat, capital Isulan. For Region 13, it is the Caraga region. It consists of 5 provinces. the Agusan del Norte, capital Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Sur, capital Prosperidad, Dinagat Island, capital San Jose, Surigao del Norte, capital Surigao City, Surigao del Sur, capital Tandag City. For autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao or ARMM region, Basilan, capital Basilan, Lanao del Sur, capital Marawi City, Maguindanao, capital Sharif Agwak, and Sharif Kabunsuan, capital Datu Odin Sinsuat, and Sulo, capital Hulo, and last is Tawi-Tawi, capital Panglima Sugala. For Cordillera Administrative Region, we have Abra, capital Benguet, Apayao, capital Cabugao, Benguet, capital La Trinidad, Ifugao, capital Lagawe, Kalinga, capital Tabuk, Mount Province, capital Bontoc. For NCR region or National Capital Region, it consists of 16 cities and 1 municipality. In cities, it includes Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, and Valenzuela. And one municipality is the Patero City.